Taj Samudra this evening for the inaugural launch of the Archifair 2021, hosted by the Sri Lanka Institute of Architects. And this year's theme is the art of social well-being. And they've got many activities and events lined up. My name is Dima. Stay tuned with High Events to find out more.
It's a wonderful evening and it's amazing to see all of you here in strength for the launch of Archifair 2021.
My council members and I, as the President of Sri Lanka Institute of Architects, warmly welcome you all for the launch of Archifair 2021, the inauguration hybrid event of our institute. It is nothing but fitting that I think SLI's immediate past President, Architect Veranjan Kurkulasuriya, Honorary Treasurer, Architect Damit Prematilaka, and very active young organizing team who envisioned this trade fair and teamed up with members of their committee to bring to fullness of hybrid trade fair scheduled for 24th, 26th of this month at Nelum Pokuna.
We are not going to organize another exhibition. We are going to demonstrate a new normal life, a healthy, satisfying, safe way to live happily, avoiding the unhealthy element, be they unhealthy eating habits, unhealthy lifestyles, unhealthy environments, or even unhealthy viruses. And we are going to be very positive about it. Just because of a virus, life does not have to be restrictive or boring. We are going to promote an interesting, enjoyable, dynamic, active way of living.
Ladies and gentlemen, was the venue. The general layout of stalls are arranged as shown at the Nelum Pokuna forecourt, extending from the CWW Kannangirma of the roadside, consisting of 150 plus stalls with 8 stall typologies as you can see on screen, and with pricing ranging from 45,000 Sri Lankan rupees to 1.5 million Sri Lankan rupees.
I'd like to invite the President of the SLIA, Architect Russell Dandania, once again to stage to ceremonially launch the website that all of you will be using to book your stalls. So this is the website we're going to launch and the President is ready. Ceremoniously, 1, 2, 3, and here we go. Let's keep going. So, without further ado, I'd like to invite the presentation party on stage, and you will see what is in store.
talking to me, the president of SLIA, architect Russell Dandania with me. So tell me, sir, about the concept, the launch, and what you're looking forward to about the Archifair 2021.
I think after COVID-19, many people in Sri Lanka have different feeling that most are negative, that we can't do that we can't rise, everything is bad, and everywhere are the restrictions. But Sri Lanka Institute of Architects, as architects, we are very courage, and we thought, why not? We launch in the context of people talking about new normal, next normal, or newer normal, or whatever. But we tried our level best to back to normal. So this is the first initiative we launched. To have a fantastic event with Archifair. I think topic is very relevant. Architecture for social well-being is the topic. I think this is a very good opportunity, I would say. Instead of we are having just architecture exhibitions, we are going more beyond with the timely topic of well-being. For I think architecture and art, not just the subject, it is something can heal people's mind and set their mental level with some courage. I think our whole aspect is covering up with mental healing, with music and maybe passion shows or dancing, and food festival, nice foods. Aesthetically, we are conducting some fashion shows, and this is a collection of all sort of artists in together for one platform with a one aspect for well-being of our society. I think it's a time, high time, with High TV, it's a high time Sri Lankan to think we can rise, we can back to normal. Forgetting all the chaos of the past and COVID, we have to stand up as a nation. We should not blame government, right? We have to see the consequences very positively, grab the opportunities, and we have to move forward. I am inviting all of you actively participate and be associated with the concept Sri Lanka Institute of Architects worked out beyond just architecture. This is basically about ourselves, our day-to-day things. It is the social well-being of architecture. Please join with us on those days from Nelum Pokona. Thank you.
I have with me the chairman of the committee for Archifair 2021, architect Viranjan Kulukurusurya. Tell us a little bit about this holistic concept of the fair itself.
What we thought was that, okay, we have this issue of COVID and viruses and all that, and fortunately it's behind us and we are now opening up. But what we thought was we need to be strong, and what COVID told us was that if you are strong and if you have high immunity, then of course we should be okay. So what we thought was that means well-being, and there are three elements: the environmental well-being, the physical well-being, and the mental well-being. And the environment, we have been dealing with environmental well-being as architects, but the other two, the physical and mental, that is where the other arts and crafts come in, artists and various other professionals. So what we thought was, let's get all of them together for one big event. It's the first physical event we are having, the SLIA is having after the COVID. So it's holistic, it's inclusive, we have everyone. The fashion people, the musicians, the artists, the painters, the sculptors, the whole lot. And we are going to have demonstrate that we can fight this, we can have raise our immunities while living a life of interesting activities, not just sitting at home in a corner, tucked in a corner, not like that. We can come out, we can interact. We are human beings, we are supposed to be gregarious, we are supposed to interact with others, so let's do that. But of course, be conscious about the health issues.
I have with me the Assistant Secretary of SLIA, Nandaka, who's, what are your thoughts on the event and how are you looking forward to getting everything sorted?
Well, we're looking forward to people who are anyway going to be in a party mood, hopefully, considering it's the season. And it's going to be a good opportunity for, people who haven't been involved with SLI events in the past, considering it's a lifestyle event. It opens the doors for people outside the realm of construction to come in. And we're sure that there'll be a good turnout, and we're looking forward to everyone coming on board.
So how much work has gone in and how has it been for you to bring everything together during the times of COVID?
Well, we decided to make the most of the opportunity of having an event. So it's been probably just a few weeks that went into deciding that we're going to do this and getting the committee together and rolling out today's event. There's a lot of things that need to be finalized, but it's looking very good, and we are excited about the possibilities that are there. And we'll probably keep people updated using our social media platforms, and I hope everyone can join us.
To do the honors of proposing the vote of thanks, I'd like to invite the Honorary Assistant Secretary of the SLIA, Architect Nandaka Jaisingha.
I'd like to congratulate Architect Veranjan Tulkulusurya, immediate past President and Chairman of the Archifair Committee, and all the members of the committee on a very successful launch.
I have with me Farah Kasatar, who has been, I think, a major force behind the event as well. You know a lot of things that have went on today. So tell us a little bit about today's event and what you're expecting for the next 3 days as well.
So today's event was mainly to kickstart this new experience organized by the Sri Lanka Institute of Architects. So there's a lot of events that the institution is planning for the public and also to the people involved in the trade. So it's in conjunction with the season or Christmas season. So there'll be a lot of fun events, and also to promote this style of healthy living and as well. So because of that, so that's kind of the main idea. Actually, I am here to present today. So there's a lot of important people who has been behind the event. So hopefully they also get something out of the event, and so I think that would conclude what I should say.
So I have with me Ashik, who's attended the event today at the Taj Samudra. So tell us, Ashik, how was it to be a part of this event, the launch and everything else that was concerned with it?
Thank you, Dima. So this is not my first time I've been with the SLIA an event, and they always manage to throw an event with class, right? Today has not been different. And when I walked in here, what I found was something very refreshing. And that is, they've moved away from their usual planning, and they've put together an event that is actually a lifestyle event, so it's not very technical. And it's for it has something for everyone. They put together the environment that's around, they put together the physical fitness, culinary arts, they brought together mental wellness, and they're talking about the arts and performance, and they're having people to perform. And it is very refreshing to be here, frankly, this evening. And I wish them the very best, and I really foresee that there'll be a lot of people in the days that they're planning, because it's Christmas season and people who would want to get out. So I would also like to be part of that, and I'm sure that because they always manage to pull something through very well, that it's going to be something to look out for in the month of December, some place to be.
Also a good opportunity to mingle as well.
Definitely, having been stuck at home, and with family and all that, all of us know. We try to get out as much as possible and things like that, but we always miss the personal touch. And after not having that for a long time. That's a word that I've used, refreshing, because it's going to be really, really refreshing to actually meet people and make it a day out. There's 3 days and they have allocated those days, so it'll be nice to actually take friends, family, colleagues or whoever it is and spend some good time, quality time, surrounded by amazing work that is on display.
I have Tisakya here with me at the inaugural launch for the Archifair 2021, and she's playing quite an integral part for the event as well. So Tisakya, tell us, what's your contribution? How's your involvement been?
Yeah, so I've been brought on to consult for the fashion side of the event. We're going to have like a market structure where there'll be different vendors all around the theme of wellness, both physically and mentally. So I'm looking forward to the challenge. It's going to be interesting, but it's also going to be a really good event happening during this Christmas season.
Well, it's been a fantastic evening here, right, at the Taj Samudra with SLIA and the inaugural launch of the Archifair 2020. They've got so many events lined up for you, and on behalf of the SLIA, I would like to invite you to be there and enjoy and make the most of the season. Thank you so much for tuning in. Until we see you next time, take care and be safe.